Volkswagen Barbie here, and with the craft room all nice and tidy, it's time to get busy on Farah. So today's project is going to be wrapping up her paint and body work that I did not finish before her last photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you down here. She's still a little bit dirty from the Christmas parade, but I'm not gonna mess with that until I get her body work finished. So as you can see down here, this is the piece that I'm working on. It's already looking way better, but I have a couple of dimples that I need to get some Bondo filled in. So today's project, I'm actually gonna try a new Bondo, a short strand fiberglass Bondo, and hope that does the job. So I'm gonna video it and let y'all see me learning how to do paint and body work. In the meantime, we've got Corey and Jamon over here working on the floors for the shop. And unfortunately, we got rain today, which we didn't really want, but it's Florida. So I'm gonna walk on over here. And so we really did not need this to get wet, and it's slightly getting wet. So I'm hoping it had enough time to dry. And on the inside, we're doing the scraping. And today comes the last coating. A couple of days to dry, and hopefully Monday we'll be moving back into the shop. Peace out. Hope everybody's having a great day.